Shell, tell them what you cooking, Shell.
Lo mein, chicken and shrimp and vegetable lo mein.
Go on and school them out there on Facebook and YouTube and all that.
You ain't got me on no Facebook, did you?
That's where you at. Talk to them, Shell.
Emerald ain't got nothing on this.
Tell them to take notes.
What's so funny? Avery one time filmed me for I had to try to enter a contest, cooking contest, and Avery had to do a video. It was so funny. He was laughing. He said, "Auntie, you funny. You can't cuss on the video."
Well, you could curse on this one.
I know, it was funny. It was so funny.
But what you got in the pan?
I got some peppers, onions, zucchini, broccoli, carrots. And in this pan, I'm making up my sauce for my lo mein. I got my chicken and shrimp already done.
Okay.
Then I'm going to toss all of it together. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Shell one-on-one.